तब स्टार्ट होता है। ठीक है,
ठीक है।
आ रहा है पूरा पेपर? नहीं आ रहा है बॉस, दिखना
ये-
चाहिए ना
वो
लिखा।
तो बोला।
अब दिखा जाके। This experiment is for IDMT relay, inverse time definite relay. Here what we need to do, here we need to vary the TMS, time multiplier setting. Earlier it was fixed for 1, now we will vary the time multiplier setting. And here PSM plug setting will be fixed. Say I am taking 0.5, so it will be fixed here. Okay, so we need to vary the time here. Different say for TMS is equal to 1, 0.8, 0.6 and 0.4. The operating time will automatically decrease here. Like this we will calculate, and 0.5 pickup current will be set. To get the PMS is equal to 2, we need 1 ampere as a fault current. Same for a different case. Suppose for I want PSM is equal to 3. For PSM is equal to 3 means 0.5 is the pickup current, which is constant. So 1.5 ampere you want the relay current. So in that way, for different values of TMS 1.8, 0.6, 0.4, we are getting different values of operating time to plot the graph. And here is the next reading for TMS PSM is equal to 3.5. So this graph we need to plot in here, the first between operating time and PSM for different values of TMS 1.8, 0.6, 0.4 and 0.6, different values of current.
हो गया सर।
ठीक है, हाँ हो गया, चलो साफ दिख रहा है। ओके, नाउ we need to vary, यहीं देखो, कुछ नीचे नहीं दिखना। Now we need to vary the TMS. So by rotating this value we can vary the TMS, like this we can rotate it. So the next purpose is, थोड़ा दूर हो जाए, दूर हो जाए, थोड़ा नीचे मत दिख रहा, वहीं बस किट दिखना चाहिए, हो जाएगा किट बस दिखा। So first I want to set PSMS 2, so 0.5 is the pickup current which is here, and 1 ampere is the fault current required. For TMS is the 1. Say set mode and make the current as 1. Start, and I have set the current at 1. I have set the current at 1. Okay. Now stop and test mode and stop. See the operating time here. Operating time will give you some around operating time is 9.8 seconds is the operating time. This is our first reading. This is our first reading. For TMS is equal to 1. Now what we need to do here, we need to decrease the TMS. Say I have decreased it at 0.8. This is the value 0.8. Now again start and stop. Now the operating time must be less than earlier time. It is less than 9.7. 7.9 is the reading. So 7.9 is the operating time for the TMS is equal to 0.8. Now next further we can vary the value of TMS. Suppose the next reading is for 0.6. Say over 0.6, start and test mode. Now this case the time will further reduce, less time. This is 6 seconds. Yani ki earlier it was 7 and now it goes to the 6 seconds. And now the next reading is for TMS is equal to 0.4. TMS is equal to 0.4. See, for TMS is equal to 0.4, say यहाँ लिखो, say the earlier time was 9.7. Now I need for TMS is equal to 0.8. So 9.7 into 0.8 will give 7.72. Next time I can calculate like this. For TMS is equal to 0.6, I got 5.76. Now I want TMS is equal to 0.4. So multiply by 0.4, it will give you 3.81 seconds. Are you?
यस सर।
So start, and for TMS is equal to 0.4, start. So operating time will be further reduced. Okay, this is 3.9 seconds. So here is the experiment for PSM is equal to 2. Now we need to vary the PSM as 3. How we can vary the PSM as 3? So set your pickup current at 0.5 and vary the relay current. If you vary the relay current, for that start, set and start. Right now it is fixed on 1 amps, so vary to 1.5. Okay, so it is 1.5. Set it at 1.5. Now it is fixed. Reset. So 1.5 by 0.5 will give you 3. It means now PSM is 3. So first experiment for TMS is equal to 1 kV. So, test mode, start, test mode, and on. So here is the operating time. TMS is 1. Operating time is some around 7. This is the problem. This is the problem which is occurring at the time P start. It will come back. The disk will release, will come back here. Now do one thing. This is the arrangement which we need to do. TMS is 1, fault current is 1.5. नहीं भाई, मैं अपनी खुद की क्लास ले रहा हूँ।
खुद की क्लास
बोलो।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
अच्छा,
कुछ क्लास चल रहा है क्या करके?
नहीं नहीं, कुछ क्लास नहीं चल रहा, मैं खुद एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करके देखता हूँ। पॉज करो ना भाई, इसको भी